Hello, I'm Mount Vernon District Supervisor Dan Stork, and I'd like to invite you to join me Saturday, November 16th from 8 a.m. to noon at Walt Whitman Middle School for the second annual Environment Expo, what you can do to act on climate change. The morning will start with an exhibit hall with information and giveaways for greening your life, followed by educational and hands-on workshops that will give attendees tools to save money, lower their carbon footprint, and improve our environment, as well as a film screening on climate change and adaptation. Come for an hour or stay for the whole morning to learn, engage, and act to save our planet. Last year drew over 150 residents, businesses, environmental groups, and students. Everyone left feeling empowered to make simple changes in their lives that make a big difference for our environment. Help us to make this the largest environment event in Northern Virginia. Visit our website for more information and join us Saturday, November 16th. Mother Nature needs our help, and you can make a difference. Thank you.